Hello and welcome back to Print Smart Help. Is your printer showing an offline status on your Mac? This issue usually happens due to incorrect settings or outdated printer software. In this video, I'll guide you through simple methods to fix the offline problem step by step. If you need an instant solution, you can call us at the numbers shown on your screen. Otherwise, just follow along. Method 1. Reset the printer. Start by turning off your printer. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Now, unplug the same power cord from the wall outlet as well. Wait for about 60 seconds before reconnecting. Plug the cord back into the wall outlet, then reconnect it to your printer. Your printer should turn on automatically. If it doesn't, press the power button to switch it on. If you're finding this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Remove and re-add the printer. If resetting didn't solve the issue, let's try removing and adding the printer again. Click on the Apple icon on your Mac. From the menu, select System Preferences. Then go to Printers and Scanners. Select your printer and click the minus icon to remove it. Confirm by clicking Reset. Once the reset is complete, add your printer again using the plus button. For more printer troubleshooting videos, feel free to share your issues in the comments. Method 3. Check printer software driver. If the issue still continues, let's check for software updates. Click on the Apple icon again. Go to System Preferences, then click on Software Update. If any updates are available for your printer, click Update Now and install them. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. You can also contact us using the numbers shown on your screen. And if we haven't covered your printer issue yet, let us know in the comments. We're here to help.